everyone! In this lesson, you'll practice giving the date.
In the next minute, you'll be challenged to ask and answer questions about the date. First, let's look at some examples.
中村さん、会議はいつですか
4月15日です。
締め切りは何月何日ですか
4月20日です。
To ask for a date, you can say, いつですか? or 何月何日ですか? To answer, state the month, 月 and day, 日. Listen to a few more examples.
誕生日はいつですか
8月15日です。
めぐみさん、誕生日はいつですか
2月25日です。
Let's practice. You are asking Sasha about her birthday. Ask her, when is your birthday?
8月15日です。
Now, ask Yoshi about the deadline. Ask him, what date is the deadline?
4月20日です。
How did you do? You can consider this practice exercise successful if you were able to answer in the given time, and use the sentence pattern featured in the examples. Try this practice exercise again if you want to improve your fluency. To learn more vocabulary and phrases, access our Can Do video series by clicking the link in the description.
And that's it for this lesson. Great job! Now you know how to give the date. Go ahead and move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, want to know if your Japanese skills have improved? Take our free assessment test to assess your language. Discover your true learning level and get free access to a language course for your specific level. An easy-to-follow course where you learn the real language, the everyday conversations that you'll soon have, and absorb these practical conversations just by listening along, with quick audio and video lessons from real teachers. So click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.